Let's break down affiliate marketing and see why it's become such a popular way to earn money online. We'll explain it in the simplest way possible so you can see how it works and why it's so effective. Imagine you find a product you genuinely like. Maybe it's a gadget, a book, or even a favorite skincare item. You share your honest recommendation with others, and when someone decides to buy it through your special affiliate link, you earn a commission from the sale. It's that straightforward. The best part? You don't have to create, store, ship, or support the product. Your main job is to connect people with things they'll love and find useful. It's a win for everyone involved. The customer discovers something they need or want, the company makes a sale, and you get rewarded for your effort. Think of it like telling a friend about a great camera you bought, except this time, the company thanks you with real cash for spreading the word. All of this happens online, using affiliate links that track your referrals and make sure you get credit for every sale you help generate. To get started, all you need is a platform where you can share your recommendations. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or even just your social media accounts. The real secret to success in affiliate marketing: build trust with your audience. People are much more likely to buy from those they trust and relate to. Be authentic. Only recommend products or services you truly believe in. Here's how it works. Join an affiliate program, pick a product you like, get your unique link, and share it with your audience. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's a simple process that can add up over time. The best part? Your content can keep earning for you even while you sleep, creating a stream of passive income. That's the power of affiliate marketing. Simple, accessible, and open to anyone willing to put in the effort. Ready to see how you can get started and turn your recommendations into real income? Let's dive in. Let's dive into your first steps with affiliate programs, a world full of opportunities for beginners and seasoned marketers alike. Two of the most popular and beginner-friendly options are Amazon Associates and ClickBank, each offering unique advantages for new affiliates. Amazon Associates lets you earn commissions on almost anything Amazon sells. It's a trusted platform, easy to use, and offers access to a massive range of products with high sales volume. ClickBank, on the other hand, specializes in digital products like ebooks, online courses, and software. These often come with much higher commission rates, making it attractive for those looking to maximize earnings. Getting started is straightforward. For Amazon, you'll need a website or blog to apply, as they want to see where you'll promote their products. ClickBank is even more beginner-friendly, with a simple registration process and no need for an existing website to join. Once you're approved, both platforms provide you with affiliate dashboards where you can easily grab your unique affiliate links and start promoting products right away. Both Amazon and ClickBank show you exactly what you'll earn per sale, helping you make informed decisions about which products to promote for the best results. These programs equip you with the essential tools and resources to launch your affiliate marketing journey with confidence and clarity. Next, let's explore how to choose the right products to promote and set yourself up for success. Don't promote everything. Focus on products you truly believe in. Your reputation is everything. Only recommend what you'd share with a friend. Pick a niche, like baking sourdough or yoga for busy moms, so your recommendations feel natural and helpful. On ClickBank, look for products with high gravity scores. On Amazon, check for lots of positive reviews. Whenever possible, try the product yourself for honest, detailed reviews. Authenticity and personal experience build trust, and trust leads to sales. Quality over quantity is the golden rule. Your honest perspective is your best marketing tool. Now let's get your recommendations in front of people. The best way to share affiliate links: create valuable content. Start a blog for in-depth reviews and guides, or use YouTube for hands-on demos. Social media, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok are also powerful for reaching your audience. Always disclose affiliate links. Honesty builds trust and keeps you legal. Focus on solving real problems, not just selling products. Show how a product makes life easier or better. Tailor your content to where your audience hangs out most. When you help people reach their goals, your links become a natural part of the solution. It's about being helpful, not pushy. That's how you turn clicks into commissions. All around the world, real people are transforming their passions into real income streams through affiliate marketing. These aren't just stories you read online. These are everyday individuals just like you, who decided to take a chance on themselves and their interests. Take for example the food blogger who started by sharing gluten-free recipes from her kitchen. With dedication, she turned her helpful advice and love for cooking into a thriving, full-time business, inspiring thousands to eat healthier. Or consider the gamer who began by reviewing headsets on YouTube. What started as a hobby quickly grew into a rewarding career, connecting him with a global community of fellow enthusiasts. What do these success stories have in common? Consistency, honesty, and a genuine desire to help others. They built trust by being authentic and providing real value. Remember, don't expect overnight riches. Building trust and an audience takes patience and persistence. The journey may be slow at first, but every effort adds up over time. Think of every piece of content you create as a seed you plant. With care and consistency, those seeds will grow, and eventually you'll see the results of your hard work. The best part? The tools you need are accessible to everyone. No special background, fancy equipment, or big budget required. All you need is determination and a willingness to learn. Start small, pick a niche you care about, create just one piece of content, and share one link. Then, learn from your experience, improve your approach, and repeat the process. The most important thing is to take your first step today, no matter how small it may seem. Your future self will thank you for starting this journey and believing in your potential.